Facetory reviews, and today I'm here with Nadine West. It feels like as soon as I send these out, I come back. I don't know. Does it feel like a month? Not really. Anyway, if you're not familiar with Nadine West, it's a monthly styling subscription service. I have had this package for a little longer than I'd like to. I'd like to send back what I'm not keeping so they don't charge me for it. I've had a rough couple of weeks. Easter was rough. Traveling was rough. My kids all got sick. I cut my finger this morning. I broke my kombucha jar. I have had a hair stuck in my throat for like 2 days. And I hate coming on here and complaining, but... Oh, and my website's broken. It's been broken now for quite a while, and I had to hire a freelancer to fix it, and that's probably going to cost me a lot of money. Makes me a little sad. So anyway, let's get into it. No, just kidding. So every package is styled for you. You go in and you fill out a survey about your likes, your dislikes, and they send you a package. They are free. You do pay shipping. It's about $10. That is credited towards anything you keep. You keep all the items, you get a discount. Yeah, that's about it. They do an okay job. I do pay for this. Like, this isn't one that they send to me as a reviewer. This is one that I get. I like it. The clothes are inexpensive. If you're looking for not as much quality, more like things that are trendy and fun, and like it's a great way to just keep your outfit rotation fresh. In my opinion, you do have to get jewelry. That's a negative for me because I don't need jewelry. I do get tempted though sometimes because I see it, I'm like, oh, that's really cute. Anyway, yeah, I think that's everything. Yeah, we're just gonna get in here. And then you send everything back in this. It's already prepaid, so you don't have to worry about any of that. Yeah, I think that's everything. I usually put down, so what I'll do is I open everything here. Then I'll try everything on and add the photos at the end, and then I'll list down in the description what I decided to keep. So if you're interested in that, I know I get a lot of comments, I'll put that down in the description. All right, so I see florals in here. I think I've overdone them. I really do feel like I've, oh, I don't like this. I don't like this print. Oh, so it's black florals. It's just too many colors for me. Like, it's busy. This is from Hippie Chic. And it does have like the little drawstrings, but I'm not into this style. Maybe I'll like it when I put it on, but no, if I'm gonna wear a hoodie, I'm gonna wear a cool one. Not that one. All right, here is I think this is a necklace. Silver with like a geometrical pattern. Not something that's really speaking to me. There's a pair of socks. These are actually super cool. I love socks. I have so many socks. I've been buying them and having them sent to me for years now. So like, I have a lot of socks. These are super cute though. I love like that kind of Aztec design. I don't have anything like this. That's kind of cool. Not gonna lie. All right. Oh, this is cute. All right, this is exactly like the other one, but it's just plain navy, same white strings. This one I would wear. Like, I would rock this baby. I like the navy, and I like how it's super big. Like, it's light. It's like a spring. Nice for spring if it's just a little chilly, but it's gonna get warmer. So there's that. I like that one. Here's a pair of pants. I don't like the bottoms on these, so here they are. I'll show you. I'll take pictures too, and I'll put them on my blog eventually. The bottoms are really tapered. Not feeling that. Not feeling that at all. They're really soft though. There's that. All right. All right, so here's another little bundle. Oh, here's sweatpants. I have too many sweatpants. And like something that I'm bothered by right now, FYI, I have tons of sweatpants. I have tons of t-shirts. I have tons of like casual clothing. I don't need help buying that stuff. I have trouble finding things that I like that are like for when I have things that are more professional or formal that I have to do. I specifically put that in the stylist notes when I signed up for this. So sending me sweatpants and hoodies, like really, I don't want this stuff. So that's an issue. So I have tons of sweatpants. I don't need sweatpants. These are really soft though, and I do love, ooh, they're felt and like, what is that? When they're like fuzzy inside. Oh, I like those. But defeats the purpose. I don't need, I have like 8 pairs, 9 pairs, and I don't need any more. Like, that's enough, actually. We get it. You don't want to be formal, but all right. So here are some earrings. That's cute. I'm not keeping them though. I know that. All right. A black shirt dress. This is from Blossom by P. It's funny, I was just at Costco and I was like, oh, it's a shirt dress, and it was in orange, and you guys know orange is my favorite color, and if I see it, I have to like stop and pick it up and look at it, and I was like, it's shapeless. It's shapeless. I would look like I'm wearing a black sack. So we'll see what it looks like when I put it on, but from here, it doesn't look very palatable. And another scarf. Not excited by this either. I don't need any scarves. I think I said that before. That's another thing. I have 4,000 scarves. And I think that's almost it. There's one more little packet. I don't think I'm going to keep anything, actually. That's just me being honest. Okay, so here's a sweatshirt. I don't know how I feel about that. It's from Zanana. It has pockets, which is kind of cool. I mean, there's not many. It's really big, which I kind of like too, because I could just wear it like when I'm at home without pants. And it looks like it would be warm enough and comfy enough. Let's see how much it costs though. All right. Something else I don't like about this is that these little papers they give you with the prices on them aren't very descriptive. So sometimes you don't know what what top you're talking about. All right, so the plain navy hoodie is $40. I will not be keeping that. $40 for that? No, I don't need another hoodie. I have like 7,000. The black fur. Oh, that's the other hoodie with the print. Also $40. The navy top. Oh, this is $30.99. They can keep it. The Carly jogger with the black stripes. The one I said it has a tapered leg. That one is $24.19. The charcoal pants, the sweatpants, are $32.49. No way, Jose. The black dress is $41.99. The earrings are $14.99. The necklace is $24.99. The socks are $11.99, and the scarf is $19.99. I will not be keeping any of this, like not a single item. So I'm just being honest. I may not even try it on. I may just throw it back in the bag, and I just know like the price. They've been nice so far with the prices, and I feel like this month they just. I don't like anything enough to pay $40 for it. Like, ew, no. All right. So anyway, and the socks, $11.99 for those. I have enough socks. I'm kind of disgusted that they didn't send me anything more for like a dress. I like dresses. I want to put on a dress. Anyway, like I said, I will link down below to Nadine West. I don't know how, I can't imagine anyone would want to go. Sorry. Every month I keep something usually. Not this month though. So anyway, I will link down below to Nadine West with my referral if you're interested. If not, I totally get that too. And I will also link to my full review where we'll go in depth. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.